Well, good morning from the man cave. Haven't been really able to get out and look for arrowheads this year. All my fields are kind of either in alfalfa or they're just set aside. So I haven't really been doing anything with that, and I feel bad because I love posting arrowhead finding videos. But this has been my latest passion right here lately, because any of you that have watched my channel know that I absolutely love to work on old motors, and especially old wheel horse tractors. This is my latest project right here. Check this baby out. It's a 1967 857 wheel horse. Now this is a real nice vintage machine. I've got her all done now, and show you what we got for power under here. That's an 8-horse Kohler engine. It's got a starter generator, kind of a voltage regulator. And then over here, got a coil, condenser, and points. Love working on these tractors because everything you need to work on is right out there, and you don't have to remove a whole bunch of stuff to get to anything. So when I got this tractor, it was not running, and it really needed a lot of help. So the first thing I had to do was find a nice ignition switch for it, and that's almost an impossible task when you got something this old. But through perseverance, I was able to come up with an aftermarket ignition. And what we'll do is show you how this thing runs shortly. But I put the ignition in, cranked it over, found out it had a blown head gasket. So that was the next thing to do, was to replace the head gasket. And so I went to a local guy that's got a lot of old equipment. He fixes lawnmowers, been around for 50, 60 years. His family's been doing it. And I asked him if he'd give me a head gasket, and he said sure. In a couple days he had me a brand new head gasket for this. So let's see if she runs, show you how good she sounds. Give her a little choke here, maybe just a little bit of gas, and we'll crank it over. Well, there's nothing wrong with the way that sounds. About as smooth as any engine I'm ever going to get. Well, let's take it for a little ride here, see if it actually does run. Oh yeah. It runs great. Boney Senior. Here in the shade and turn it off and let it rest a little bit. So there you have it. This is, like I said, my latest project, and it's been a success. I got a mower deck that came with it, and I'm going to start working on that now and restoring that. I need to take the blades off and grease the spindles and clean it up and paint it maybe, and put it on and see how she cuts. So that's the latest from the man cave. I'm thrilled to be tinkering on these things, and I'm always looking for old wheel horse tractors, so you never know, you might see me showing you another one here in another couple months. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the vid.